So I was on Amazon and I came across a 2-pack of these LED work lights, and it was like $12 for these LED work lights. And I work a lot on my cars, and these lights are very handy. The thing about it though, for $12, even though this light is probably pretty bright and useful, money says that they went really cheap on the battery in here. And now, given the shape, you can pretty much be certain that this is going to use an 18650 on the inside. And so what you can do, and I've done this many times before, is buy these cheap lights and just put in your own battery so that you get that long run time. I think we're going to open this up, see what's inside, and then probably retrofit it with a 3000 milliamp LG cell. I have these left over from some of my e-bike projects, and this is actually a used cell, but I've just voltage checked it. It's stable. It's not self-discharging, so this is a good battery ready to go. And so let's pop this open and have a look inside. There you go. We're inside, and we have a no-name brand battery in here. Also interesting, if you look closely, this has nickel tabs on here that have been chopped off. Yes, on both sides. And what that actually means is this is probably a used cell. This was probably taken from another application. That's why the nickel tabs are still on here, because they didn't need the nickel tab to solder on the battery lead. So I think this is a used cell with some old nickel left over from its original application. So what we'll do is we'll desolder these wires quick, and I have my soldering iron right here. Okay, that's the black wire, and that's the positive wire. And we will grab this cell. We'll put a blob of solder on both sides. Sometimes it helps. Solder doesn't always want to stick to an 18650, but if you rough up the surface a little bit with a little sandpaper, it helps the solder stick. There you go. We got a blob on both sides. We'll attach the positive here quick. It's a little bit awkward because this positive lead is pretty small. Yeah, it's not going to work. I need to hold that in place. Okay, positive lead is attached. Let's attach the negative lead. There we go, and this should be. Oh, yep, we got a working battery. So now I just got to reassemble this, and we've upgraded this from probably, and I can't tell you how light this cell feels. Actually, I wonder if this, obviously this is being rewrapped. I wonder if this has any markings underneath. No, there's no markings underneath. This is a completely no-name cell. Doesn't even have any stampings underneath. Normally they stamp some information on the shell. So this is an absolute piece of garbage cell. Anyways, we've upgraded this, and let me just reassemble it and we're good to go. All right, reassembled. Works like a champ. And now we are upgraded to 3000 milliamps. This thing will probably run for hours now. Yeah, so you can do this on pretty much any cheap light that you see on eBay or Amazon that you are sure has an 18650 inside. Don't be afraid to buy it and then just upgrade the battery yourself, because the battery is the most important thing with a light like this. So I hope that helps.